Yuck. I hate all the products served in the student vending machines like this one. All of the products in it tasted gross. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute. Idea. Ding ding. I will fix the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I found the staff vending machine in this teacher's lounge. And yay. It serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay. I just bought real soda. Oh hell no. I'm busted. It's Principal Eric.
Dark puzzle, bro. I saw footage from the security camera that you used the staff vending machine. Did you?
Well, you'll be really mad. But, yes, I did.
Dark puzzle, bro. How dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it. You're now suspended for 10 weeks. Get out now.
Dark puzzle, bro. I can't believe you used the staff vending machine. You know those vending machines are restricted for your school teachers and administration only.
But Dad, the soda in the student vending machine tasted gross.
I don't care. You're grounded for 30 weeks. Go to bed now.